Good morning, children. How you all? I hope you all will be fine. Children, nowadays we are studying the chapter Admission of a New Partner. In this chapter, I am explaining the concept of treatment of goodwill. Children, in this concept, we will solve 5 cases related numerical question. First case I had explained in previous video, but for your revision today I have explained again. So children, the first case is when new partner bring his share of goodwill in cash. So children, according this concept, the first case is when new partner admitted in the firm. That time the new partner pay some amount to the firm of goodwill. This amount will be distributed among the old partners because they also sacrifice the profit ratio in the favor of a new partner. In this case, we will follow two situations. First, when a new partner bring his share of goodwill in cash, that time two situations will be created. Sometimes the new partner will be paid this amount in privately to the firm or to the partners. Second situation is when a new partner paid the goodwill amount through the firm. So children, according first situation, when a new partner paid the goodwill amount privately to the firm. If a new partner paid of goodwill amount in cash to the partner or firm privately, that time the firm will not record any transactions in the books of account. Second, paid through the firm. When a new partner paid goodwill amount through the firm, in that situation the firm will pass some general entries like cash account debit to premium account. Second, premium account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. And third is if goodwill withdrawn, suppose the old partners withdrawn the goodwill amount, that time this general entry will be maintained, sacrificing partners capital account debit to cash account. So children, I hope this concept will be clear to all the students. Now I am explaining two more cases general entries. So second case is when new partner is unable to bring goodwill in cash. So children, according to second case, when new partner is unable the sum amount of goodwill in cash, that time all the old partners will be sacrificed the goodwill amount in the favor of a new partner. That situation is also called adjustment through partners capital account. So children, that time we will prepare this general entry, new partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. Now I am explaining this concept with the help of numerical question. So children, now the question is when new partner is unable to bring his share of goodwill in cash, goodwill not brought in cash by the new partner. So question is M and N are two partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. On 1st April 2016, they admit G as a new partner for 1/6 share in the profit. G brings 4 lakh for his capital but could not bring any amount for goodwill. The firm's goodwill on G admission was valued at rupees 3 lakh. Goodwill already appearing in the books is rupees 1 lakh. Record necessary general entries assuming that partners' capitals are fixed. So children, according this question, there are two partners. Their profit loss sharing ratio is 3:2. They admitted G as a new partner for 1/6 share in the profits. G bring 4 lakh rupees for his capital, but he could not bring any amount of goodwill to the firm. Also, that also at the time of a new partner admission, G goodwill amount was 3 lakh rupees, which is appear in the books of account. Now we will record the general entries. So children, in this G is a new partner and he only paid the capital amount to the firm. Now the old partner will sacrifice the goodwill amount in the favor of G. So first we will calculate how much amount of goodwill will be sacrificed by the old partners in the favor of G. So firm goodwill value is 3 lakh rupees. We will divide. So children, firm goodwill amount is 3 lakh rupees, which is appear in the books of account. Now 3 lakh rupees goodwill amount we will distribute in the ratio 3 ratio 2 sorry 3 ratio 2 ratio 1. Total ratio is 6. So now we will divide this amount in the ratio of 6. So according this 3 lakh rupees divided by 6, 6 5s are 30. So 50,000 rupees. So according this 51 lakh. So children, according this 1,50,000 goodwill is for A. 51 lakh rupees goodwill amount in the favor of B, and C goodwill amount is 50,000 rupees, which is not bring by the new partner. So now 50,000 rupees will be paid in the favor of G by all the old partner in sacrificing ratio. Now we will prepare the journal entries. So children, now we will prepare the journal entries. Journal entries. First journal entry will be pass. M, current account debit 60,000. N, current account debit 40,000 to goodwill account 1 lakh rupees. Being goodwill already appearing in the books written off. So children, according this question, when G admitted in the firm, that time the firm goodwill amount is 3 lakh rupees. Goodwill already appearing in the books is rupees 1 lakh rupees. So children, when a new partner admitted in the firm, so before admitted a new partner, the old profit or all the old provisions will be distributed in the old partner in the old ratio. So according this 1 lakh rupees, the old partner will be distributed among them in the ratio 3 ratio 2. So according this, I had prepared the journal entry. 1 lakh rupees goodwill they have distributed among them according to ratio 3 ratio 2. So now M current account will be debit by 60,000 rupees and N current account will be debit 40,000 rupees to goodwill account 1 lakh rupees. Second journal entry will be record bank account debit 4 lakh rupees to G capital account 4 lakh. Narration being capital brought by G. So children, second journal entry we will record to capital account because G has given 4 lakh rupees to the firm for goodwill. So journal entry will be record bank account debit 4 lakh rupees. What comes in? Bank account debit 4 lakh rupees to G capital account 4 lakh rupees being capital brought by G. And third entry we will pass G current account debit 50,000 rupees to M current account 30,000 to N current account 20,000 rupees being G share of goodwill adjusted to old partners current accounts. So children, third entry will be record G current account debit 50,000 rupees, because in this question G has not bring any amount of goodwill. So in that case, two old partner will be sacrificed the goodwill amount in the favor of G. So that time this general entry will be record G current account debit will be record 50,000 rupees, to M current account 30,000 rupees, to N current account 20,000 rupees, being G share of goodwill adjusted to old partner's current account. So this amount will be record in the favor of a new partner by old partner. So children, third case is case number third, when new partner brings only a portion of goodwill in cash. So children, according this case, when a new partner only bring the goodwill amount in cash but a portion, he has not given whole the amount of goodwill to the firm. So in that case, we will record the general entries cash account debit to premium goodwill account. In the narration, we will use being a portion of share of premium brought in cash. So children, sometimes the new partner may not be in a position to bring the full amount of his share of goodwill premium in cash, and only bring a portion in cash. In such a situation, premium account will be credited with the amount of premium actually brought in cash. That time we will record the general entries cash account debit to premium or goodwill account. So children, from this case I had solved a numerical question. So question is, A and B are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio 5:3. They admit C into the partnership for 3/10 share in profit, which he takes 2/10 from A and 1/10 from B. C bring in 3,000 rupees as premium in cash out of his share of rupees 7,800. Goodwill account does not appear in the books of A and B. Give the necessary general entries in the books of the new firm. So children, according this question, A and B are two partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:3. They had admitted a new partner in the firm, that is C, for 3/10 share in profit. So according this, C will take 3/10 share in the profit from the firm, which he takes 2/10 from A. So according this, 2/10 profit will be given by the A, and B will be given 1/10 share in the favor of a C. So C bring in rupees 3,000 as premium in cash. So according this, C also has given in cash also has given 3,000 rupees as a goodwill premium in the favor of a firm out of 7,800. Goodwill account does not appear in the books of A and B. So children, according this statement, the firm has not prepared any books, any adjustment related to the goodwill account. So now the firm has not opened any account of goodwill. So according this, also C has also given 7,800 rupees, but now this time in this case only has given 3,000 rupees as goodwill in to the firm. Okay, so now we will prepare the general entry. So children, solution is old ratio of A and B 5:3, share of C 3/10, sacrifice ratio of A B is equals to 2:1. So children, these conditions also already provided in the question. Old ratio of A and B is 5:3. Share of C in the profit 3/10 ratio, and A and B will be sacrificed ratio 2:1 in the favor of C. Okay, so now first entry will be record cash account debit, because C only given 3,000 rupees for goodwill to the firm. So first we will record the general entry cash account debit 3000 rupees to premium account. To premium account 3000 rupees. Nation being premium brought by C. Second general entry will be record premium account debit 3000 C. Capital account debit 4800 to A. Capital account 5200 to B. Capital account 2600. Nation being goodwill distributed between partners. So children, according in this case, all partners of A and B 5:3, share of C 3:10, sacrifice ratio of A and B 2:1. So first, in this case, C will bring only 3000 rupees out of rupees 7800. 7800, but the C has given only 3000 rupees as premium of goodwill. So remaining amount will be 4800 will be given after some time to the firm by new partner. So first we will record which amount the firm has received. So the firm has received 3000 rupees in cash from a new partner, that is C. So first general entry will be record how much amount the firm has received. So cash account debit 3000 to premium account 3000 being premium brought by C. Second general entry we will record for goodwill premium account debit. Already C has given 3000 rupees of goodwill premium amount to the firm. So premium account debit 3000, C capital account debit 4800, 4800 remaining amount of goodwill C will be given after some time. Again also to A capital account 5200, to B capital account 2600. So according this, total 7800 rupees will be distributed among both the old partners in their sacrificing ratio in 5200 or 2600, being goodwill distributed between partners, old partners. Okay, I hope these numerical question will be clear to you all. So children, today I had complete 3 case related journal entries. First case is when a new partner bring his share of goodwill in cash. That time we will prepare the journal entries in both situation, in two situations, when a new partner has given the amount of goodwill in privately. That time the firm will not record any journal entry in the books of account, but a new partner given or paid the amount to the firm. That time through the paid this amount through the firm. That time the firm will be prepare these journal entries: cash account debit to premium account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. If goodwill withdrawn, if old partners will be withdrawn this amount, that time this journal entry also will be prepared: sacrificing partners capital account debit to cash account. Second case is when new partner is unable to bring goodwill in cash. So according to case second, if a new partner is not bring any goodwill amount in cash, that time all the old partner will be sacrifice this amount in the favor of a new partner, and we will prepare this journal entry at this time: new partner capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. And third case is when new partner brings only a portion of goodwill in cash. So children, according to third case, sometime a new partner only the goodwill amount in the portion. He has not given whole amount to the firm. That time we will prepare the general entries, cash or bank account debit to goodwill premium account. Children, I had explained one more question. A and B sharing profits in the ratio 2:1. Admit C for 1/4 share in profits. C pay 20,000 for capital and 3,000 out of his share of 4,200 for goodwill. So children, according this, in 4,200 rupees, C only pay 3,000 rupees of goodwill amount to the firm. The new profit sharing ratio among A, B and C will be 5:3:2. Give general entries in connection with C admission when capitals are fixed and capitals are fluctuating. So children, according in this question, A and B are two partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 2:1. They had admitted a new partner C for 1/4 share in profit. C paid 20,000 rupees for goodwill amount to the firm, and also he has given 3,000 rupees of goodwill amount out of 4,200 rupees amount. The new profit sharing ratio among A, B and C will be 5:3:2 for future ratio. So now we will prepare the general entries. So children, first general entry we will record which amount the new partner has given to the firm. Bank account debit 23,000 to C. Capital account 20,000 to goodwill premium account 3,000 rupees. So children, C has given 20,000 rupees of goodwill to the firm, and 3,000 rupees of goodwill to the firm, okay, and 20,000 rupees of capital to the firm. So according this, total amount C has given to the firm 23,000 rupees. So first this general entry will be recorded. Second, goodwill or premium account debit 3,000. C. Capital account debit 1,200 to A. Capital account 3,500 to B. Capital account 700. Narration being C. Share of goodwill transferred in sacrificing ratio 5:1 of partners. Third general entry will be goodwill premium account debit 3,000. C. Current account debit 1,200 to A. Current account 3,500 to B. Current account 700, being C. Share of goodwill transferred in sacrificing ratio 5:1 of partners. So children, in this question, C has admitted for 1/4 share profit in C has admitted for 1/4 share in profit in the firm. He also bring 20,000 rupees of for goodwill and 3,000 rupees of goodwill premium out of 4,200 rupees. So first we will record which amount the new partner has given to the firm. So first C has given 20,000 rupees as capital and 3,000 rupees for goodwill. So first general entry will be record bank account debit to C capital account to goodwill premium account account 3,000. Second general entry will be record goodwill premium account debit 3,000, C capital account debit 1200 rupees is remaining on C partner. So we will record also in debit side. To A capital account 3500, B capital account 700. So according this, total 4200 goodwill amount will be distributed among all the old partner, both the old partner in their sacrificing ratio, that is 5:1. So children, capital to A capital account to B capital account, we are preparing the capital account because in have you remember, according to fixed method we are preparing the capital account, and fluctuating method we are preparing current account. So if we are preparing the method by fixed method, that time we will record the general entries in capital account. If we are preparing the accounts according to fluctuating method, that time we will record these transactions in current account. So children, I hope these questions will be clear, and so revise these concepts again. So take care. Goodbye.